In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start making pixel art in Google Sheets. This might seem unconventional, but it's a fun and creative way to utilize a tool that's typically reserved for spreadsheets and data organization. Whether you're an artist looking for a new medium or simply a spreadsheet enthusiast seeking to stretch your creativity, this guide will set you on the right path. So, let's dive in. To begin with your pixel art journey, the first thing you'll need to do is select all the rows and columns in your Google Sheets document. You can do this by clicking on the square at the top left corner, right between the row numbers and column letters. Next, right-click anywhere in the selected area, and you'll see an option to resize the columns. Here's where the magic starts to happen. For pixel art, you'll want your cells to appear as perfect squares. The default height for rows in Google Sheets is 21 pixels. So to maintain that square shape, set your columns to 21 pixels as well. This will ensure that each cell acts as an even-sized pixel in your artwork. Now that your canvas is ready with square-shaped cells, it's time to choose your colors. A handy tip is to place your chosen colors in a convenient spot where you can easily access them while crafting your art. I recommend using the first column. For example, let's use black and yellow. Fill cell A1 with your black and cell A2 with your yellow. This strategic placement allows you to quickly access and duplicate the colors throughout your sheet. With your colors at hand, you're ready to start coloring in your pixel art. To do this first, copy the color you want to use. You can click on the cell with the desired color and copy it by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and C. Once you've copied the color, select the cells where you want to apply it. After selecting your target cells, use the shortcut Ctrl and V to paste the color. This simple copy-paste method is what turns your Google Sheets into a pixel art creator's paradise. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can start creating your own pixel art masterpieces right within Google Sheets. As you get more comfortable with these techniques, you can experiment with more complex designs and a variety of color palettes. The simplicity of using squares for pixels makes it easy to scale up your skills and develop intricate pieces. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring, and that you're ready to embark on your pixel art adventure in the most unexpected of places. Happy creating!